Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to become a wise woman. This video is intended for those women out there who want to better themselves and see an improved version of themselves. Now, a wise woman doesn't have to be the most intelligent person in the room, doesn't have to be really the smartest person in the room, and among other things. But here are some of the things you can do that will make you a wiser woman. Number 7, a wise woman has secrets. You cannot be too naked with your love, social or spiritual life and expect dignity. Not everyone should know what you're going through. Of course, you have to single out the people who can help you and talk to them, but you do not go telling everybody your problems. Number 6, a wise woman has surprises. There is beauty in a surprise. Don't run around announcing things that are not yet. It only destroys their beauty. And when they fail, you'll suffer unnecessary shame. You have to be a self-controlled lady. Number 5, a wise woman is unpredictable. People should know that there is a yes and a no in your mouth. That means when you say your no, you should stand by it, and when you say yes, you should stand by it. You have to be firm with your decisions. Your moves and words shouldn't be too obvious. A wise woman has meaningful connections. You cannot be a friend to everyone and have focus. That means you can't be the organizer in every social activity and be that super productive woman. Number 3, a wise woman does not engage in cheap rumors. You cannot have too much talk and work at the same time. Cheap talks only lead to empty gossips. A gossiping woman is a shallow woman. Number 2, a wise woman has time for herself. You cannot understand yourself better until you create time for yourself. Create time to see your weaknesses, your strengths, and work on them. All improve on them. Have time for self-correction. This also helps you improve your mental health. Number 1, a wise woman interacts with God. You cannot have the highest level of wisdom until you interact with its source. Rare breeds of women are found here at the feet of Jesus. Prayer is very important. With this, I conclude. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crying Motion, where we bring you more of love, relationships, and we talk about everything. Bye.